scores, yeah, you're on the right track. We're flying drones and checking out the latest tech. Let's go with PD Tech. PD Tech.
Now then, the referee looks at his watch, and his second now.